one night sometime after I graduated college back in 2009. So these were my thoughts, my observations from the 745 train.
Next station, Pureza. Ang susunod na estasyon ay Pureza.
The night brings out the best and worst in people. Apathy, stillness, silence, broken.
Next station, Legarda. Ang susunod na estasyon ay Legarda.
Different characters are present on these night rides. Beware, I say, they bite without warning. Call center agents, 9-to-5 workers, multinational yuppies,
Lost souls. Next station, Recto. Ang susunod na estasyon ay Recto.
I glimpsed into the cabin and glimpsed further still until my eyes, they went blind by the colors that surrounded me. I swore I saw 8 shades of green, 3 shades of lavender, and a weird color called burnt umber when I looked around me. This isn't the train that I'm used to seeing. I need my eyes checked. This is way sedated, more serene than the packed 7:45 a.m. train that I'm used to seeing. I bet I could run from end to end of this ride without having to push someone aside to do so. This is an aberration. This isn't real. This is far from reality. But this long journey is far from the end. But soon, I will find my place of peace, a place of solace, a place that I could call home.
Arriving at Recto. Maalala na po sa mga pasahero, lalo na po sa nakatayo. Ugaling hawakan ng mga safety handrails sa buwan sa dala ng magkabilang bituan ng tren. Pag-double check lang po na yung mga gamit, lalo na po ang magnetic card ninyong gagamitin sa paglabas ng istasyon. Last station na po, Recto. Maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik sa Megatren. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.